Time to make Dad's Instant Pot Chili. Not much prep involved here, guys. Dice up an onion, put some oil in your Instant Pot, and set it on the sauté setting high. Ground beef, we're just gonna brown it. Little bit of black pepper. Add as much as you like, whether you can take spicy or not. The exact amounts for the ingredients are in the description with an easy to follow recipe. Don't worry about it. We're gonna put about half of the onions, add some cumin, some chili powder, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and mix that all up nice. Beans, whether you want beans in your chili or not, that's up to you. Dad kind of likes beans in his chili, but not too much, so I only put in 1 can. Diced tomatoes. I like the basic garlic and oregano one. It's got a little extra flavor in it. 2 cans of that. Mix everything up. Beef broth. We're gonna throw in some beef broth. Nice. Tomato paste. I use this because it thickens up the chili a little bit and gives it a nice, like, tomatoey taste. Stir everything in. And we are gonna cook this on high for 25 minutes. After a 10-minute natural release, top it off with whatever toppings you like, and you have a fantastic chili that's easy and delicious.